What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ray, and today we back with another video. And today it's going to be a little bit different of a video because my homie's on his way over right now. So I'm going to be helping him install the exhaust on his car, and we got to do brakes on the Jetta today. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so my homie just pulled up. He's got his 2020 GT86. We're about to install a Tomei header unequal length on his car. So let's jump right into it. All right, so we got the header right here. Unboxing it right now. Yeah, look at that. Look at that Tomei badge. Stop turning it. Alright, so we're going to do a before and after of what the car sounds like. So this is what it sounds like before.
What the instructions at?
Alright, you see he got the heat wrap, so we finna wrap up the exhaust before we go ahead and put it on. Alright, we got part of it wrapped up. Still putting in some work. We're gonna get there. Alright guys, we got the header all wrapped up with the heat wrap. So now we're gonna jack the car up. We're gonna get the old one off and we're gonna keep going. Alright guys, got the car all jacked up, sitting on jack stands. Now we gotta take off this belly pin and we should be able to access the header. Alright guys, we got the belly pan off, and this is this big bulky brolic manufacturer header that we're about to take off. Alright, so to get this header off, there's two nuts right here. I've already taken those off, and then you got the main ones right here. There's one right there, and then there's two on this side, and then the same thing on the other side. So total of 8 bolts, and you gotta disconnect the O2 sensor right there, and then it should come right off. Alright guys, so instead of trying to take the O2 sensors out while it's in the car, I just came up here and unplugged them, and we're just going to drop the header and then switch them over to the new one. Alright, as you can see, we got the old header off, so now we about to take these O2 sensors off and we're going to put them on the new header. Alright guys, we got the Tomei exhaust header installed. We plugged the O2 sensors back in. Only thing left to do is put this belly pan back on, and then we're going to drop the car down and see how it sounds. Alright guys, we got the exhaust installed. The car's back up on the ground. So now we're going to give you the clip of how it sounds after. Great. Alright guys, as you can see, we installed the header on my boy's GT86. He's going to be coming back soon to put a catback exhaust on, so expect that in a later video. But I'm about to do the front brakes on the Jetta, and we're going to call it a day after that. So, you know, that's all I got for today. So make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, and stay tuned for what we got coming next.